and a little and fish like these. Sharkleberry, bangamere, dumpling. Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today is some sharkleberry fish. The recipe is nice, eatable, so please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Remember, sharkleberry fish. It's a recipe, tasteable, eatable, delicious. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. Recipe for today is some sharkleberry fish. You can see sharkleberry kool fish. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients them that I use in my recipe, right? So first on the list. So yeah, some sharkleberry fish, right? So you see bangamere, you can see it there. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients that I use in the recipe, right? You can see sauce right there. See ketchup, vinegar to wash the fish. You can see season, you have some black pepper there, you have pumpkin, sweet potato, banana, onion, Irish, carrot, scallion, thyme, garlic, bell pepper, hot pepper, pimento seed, ginger, see sharkleberry kool. Remember sharkleberry fish, right? You have some cornmeal and flour, so you call it mixed flour. So please watch the video till the end, like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Recipe I got nice, tasteable, eatable, finger licking. Remember, sharkleberry, bangamere fish. Yes, let's just call it sharkleberry fish. Prepare them the right way, like how you want them, right? Alright, you can see fish in there. Some black pepper. I really enough to because I don't like black pepper, so sprinkle it right. Like these. I have some Maggi all purpose. You can see sharkleberry. And a little and fish like these. So I'm going to add a little more Maggi all purpose, right? So I'm going to stir it like these. And my sharkleberry fish in our peeps. Alright. That one stay for 6 hours. Season 6 hours. With more Maggi seasoning, okay? Okay, one stay for 6 hours. Some pepper, ginger, garlic, pimento, and thyme leaf. Add it on the fish, right? So make this one stay for 6 hours. Right? Cover it into 6 hours. One stay for 6 hours in the season. Right, peeps, see there? Yeah, man, about sharkleberry fish, you know. And see? Some bangamere sharkleberry. So we have some scallion, garlic, thyme, pepper, and ginger. Pimento seed, add it to the oil. Flavor the oil, right? So, add the fish in. Yes, my people, some scallion, garlic, thyme, pepper, carrot, Irish, ginger, pimento seed, and onion, right? I gotta add to my sauce. See what I want there. Alright. Sharkleberry fish there. Alright, peeps. So the sauce I'm making one thing, right? Right, peeps, see the sharkleberry sauce ready and now. Yeah, man. You know say? I'll add the fish to the sauce. Yeah, man, remember, you know. Sharkleberry, banga, marinating. Sharkleberry, banga, Mary. Yes, my people, see there? Lunchtime, you know? Sharkleberry, banga, Mary, banana, pumpkin, potato, and caramel dumpling. You can see all that spicy Irish and carrot and then spicy here. Yeah, man. You can see. Like and share. Sharkleberry, banga, Mary, dumpling, banana, Irish, sweet potato. And people see there? See sharkleberry fish ready now. So I say? Sharkleberry, banga, Mary. Taste beside the fish, you know? Delicious. Eatable. Tasteable. Caramel dumpling tight and nice. Pumpkin. Dry and gummy. Green banana give you iron. Nice one. Carrot good for your eye. Sweet potato, leper sex style. Please like and share. Peeps, and the first butcher recipe after my non line. Sharkleberry, fish are nice, eatable, tasteable. Remember, sharkleberry cool fish. And the first butcher, but it's nice.